Hey guys, Justin here at MadsenTeaches, and today I'll be showing you the most common chord shapes for your 7 minor chords. Alright, the first chord for today is your A minor. And to play your A minor, you're going to come up to your 5th string, which is this one right here, and play an open note. And then the next string down, which is your 4th string, you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd fret. Then on your ring finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret as well. 2nd string, 1st fret. And then bottom string is going to be open. And then when you play it all together, it should sound like this. Our next chord here will be the B minor, which is just like the A minor shape, but we will be taking our index finger here and barring it on the bottom 5 string 2nd fret, and the top note will sound like this. Remember, we're not playing our top string for this. Our ring finger will be on our 4th string 4th fret. Our pinky will be on 3rd string 4th fret. Our middle finger will be on 2nd string 3rd fret, and since our first finger is barring that 2nd fret, we'll be able to hit that bottom string. Altogether, it should sound like this. Alright, our next chord is going to be our C minor, which is going to be taking the exact same shape as our B chord, but sliding everything up 1 fret so that our first finger is flattening against your bottom 5 strings in their 3rd fret. We're going to take our ring finger, place it on the 4th string 5th fret, our pinky on the 3rd string 5th fret, and then our middle finger on the 2nd string 4th fret. And with that first finger flattened here, that bottom string 3rd fret. And when you play it all together, it should sound like this. Our next chord will be our D minor, which will only be using your bottom 4 strings. And on their 4th string, which is this one right here, we'll be playing an open note. Then our middle finger will go on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Our ring finger will go on the 2nd string 3rd fret. And then our index finger will be on the bottom string 1st fret. And altogether, that will sound like this. Our next chord will be the E minor, which we'll be using all 6 strings for. And on our very top string, it will be an open note. On the 5th string will be a 2nd fret. And the 4th string will be a 2nd fret. And then our bottom 3 strings shall all be open. When you play all your strings together, it'll sound like this. Alright, our next chord here is the F minor, which is pretty close to the E minor shape. And we're going to take our first finger and flatten it against all the strings on your 1st fret. There's your top note there. And you're going to take your ring finger on your 5th string 3rd fret with our pinky on the 4th string 3rd fret, and with our first finger being flattened against your 1st fret strings, you'll get those strings to sound like that. And when you play it all together, it should sound like this. The final chord of the day is the G minor chord, which will be using the same shape as our F minor, but instead of flattening the first fret, we're going to be flattening the third fret. And then we're going to take our ring finger, put it on the 5th string, 5th fret, and the pinky on the 4th string, 5th fret. And since our index finger is flattening all the strings, it should sound like this. Just a few side notes here. If you take your B minor and C minor shape and you move that into any different part of the neck, that'll make a minor chord. And if you take your F minor or your G minor shape up here, that also makes a minor chord.